Are you living in the UAE and thinking about investing your money but not sure where to start? Whether you are aiming for long-term wealth, saving for retirement, or just want to make your money work for you, this video is for you. Today we will cover 5 smart investment options in the UAE. Some safe, some risky, but all powerful in their own way. Let's break them down one by one. Number 1 smart investment option in Dubai is endowment plans. Let's start with something safe and structured. Endowment plans. These are like saving plans tied to life insurance. You pay regularly and after a fixed period, you receive a guaranteed amount plus bonuses in some cases. And if anything happens to you before maturity, your nominee gets the payout. In the UAE, popular plans include Alliance Endowment Assurance, MetLife Smart Protect, and PIB, Platinum Insurance Broker Endowment Plans. What are the advantages? Of course, guaranteed maturity benefits, life insurance protection. What are the downsides? Lower returns compared to other investment options that we will cover in the video later on. Lock-in period is from 5 to 15 years. But this kind of investment is best for new investors, families, and risk-averse savers. Second option for smart investment in Dubai is investing in startups. When we hear the word startup, some people think of Silicon Valley or big name companies like Uber or Amazon. But the UAE has quietly becoming a startup hub, especially Dubai and Abu Dhabi. These cities are pouring resources into becoming the next tech capital of the Middle East. Kareem started as a small ride-hailing app in Dubai in 2012. In 2019, it was acquired by Uber for $3.1 billion. Imagine if you had invested even a small amount in Kareem in its early days, you could have made huge returns. This is what startup investing is about. High risk but high rewards. But now even regular people can participate in startups. How you can start investing in startups? Number 1 platform is Eureka, equity crowdfunding, a Dubai-based platform where you can start investing in startups from the UAE and around the world. Minimum investment amount is as low as $100. You are basically buying small piece of a company before it grows big. Let's start it with an example. You might see a fintech app raising money, like a budgeting app for expats or a new digital bank. If you believe in their idea, you can invest early and become a shareholder. Second platform is Beehive. Instead of buying shares, here you lend money to small businesses and earn monthly returns. Beehive is regulated by the Dubai Financial Services Authority. You get to see a business's credit score, their repayment history, and choose who to lend to. Let's understand it with an example. Let's say a bakery in Dubai wants to expand and needs 100,000 dirhams. You and 50 other people lend money. This bakery pays it back over 2 years and you earn around 7 to 10% annual return. Third platform is Dubai Small and Medium Enterprises and Government programs. If you are an entrepreneur yourself or want to support UAE-born businesses, the Dubai SME initiative helps launch small startups. They also connect investors with vetted local businesses looking for funding. Example, a young Emirati might be starting a health supplement brand. Through Dubai SME, they raise capital and you get early access as an investor. This is perfect for someone who doesn't just want returns but also wants to support local innovations. Advantages of such sort of investment in startup is high return potential, exposure to innovative industries, and you get a portfolio which has diversification. It also comes with downsides. Number 1 is very high risk as most startups fail. No fixed returns and it is difficult if you plan to sell in between. But this kind of investment is best for young investors, anyone who want to take a risk, or if you are a tech-savvy individual. Third smart investment option in Dubai is structured products. What are structured products? Structured products are like customized investment packages created by banks. Think of them as a mix of a fixed income product like a bond or a derivative like options on stocks or indices. Sounds technical, right? Don't worry, I will break it down for you. Stay tuned, don't forget to like this video. Also subscribe for more such financial informative content. Let's take a real world example. Emirates NBD Capital Protected Notes. Let's say you are interested in big US tech stocks like Apple, Amazon, and Tesla. But instead of buying these stocks directly, which can be risky because their prices go up and down, you want some kind of protection like insurance for your money. So Emirates NBD offers you a structured product called Capital Protected Note. Here's how it works. Breakdown of the investment. You invest 100,000 dirhams in the note, capital protection. The bank promises to return 100% of your principal after 2 years, even if the stocks perform badly. So worst case, after 2 years, you still get back your 100,000 dirhams. Upside potential. If Apple, Amazon, and Tesla grow in value over the 2 years, you will also earn a percentage of that growth. Let's say 50% of the combined growth. Two scenarios. Scenario 1. Stock goes up 40% in 2 years. You earn 50% of that, which is equal to 20% return. So you get back 100,000 dirham plus 20,000 dirhams, which is equal to 120,000 dirhams. Scenario 2. Stocks go down 20%. You get no returns, but you still get back your 100,000 dirhams. No loss. Who is this for? This kind of product is perfect for cautious investors who don't want to risk their capital. People who want to invest in global stocks but feel uncomfortable with daily volatility. But there are some things that you should keep in mind. There's usually a lock-in period. You cannot withdraw your money early without penalties. You don't get dividends from the stocks. Sometimes these products come with fees or caps on returns. So while you are protected from losses, your gains may also be limited compared to direct stock investing. Structured products like these are great low-risk tools for people who want global exposure without fear of losing money. And in the UAE, banks like Emirates NBD, FAB, and HSBC regularly launch such notes. If you are serious about investing but want to sleep peacefully at night, capital protected notes could be a smart option to explore. Fourth smart investment option in Dubai is cryptocurrencies. Crypto in the UAE is booming, from Bitcoin to Ethereum and even stablecoins. Dubai is leading the way in crypto adoption in the Middle East. There are now Bitcoin ATMs, crypto payment options for real estate and luxury items, and even government-backed blockchain events like Future Blockchain Summit. Platforms like BitOasis, Rain, and Binance Mina are licensed in the region. This kind of investment is best for tech-savvy investors, long-term holders, and those who understand risk. Fifth smart investment option in Dubai is annuities. Last but not least, annuities. These are ideal if you are planning for retirement. You make a lump sum investment or pay monthly, and the insurance company gives you fixed payouts for life or for a set number of years. Popular annuity providers in the UAE include Zurich Vista, MetLife Gulf, and National Bonds Golden Pension Schemes. But this kind of investment is best for retirees, expats planning long-term stays in the UAE, or anyone wanting guaranteed income. So, which investment is right for you? Want safety and discipline? Go for endowment plans. Excited by high growth? Look into startups or crypto. Want retirement income? Annuities might be the way. Looking for a balance of risk and return? Structured products could work. Drop a comment below, like this video, subscribe for more personal finance tips in the UAE, share it with your friends. It might just help someone make a smart money move. See you in the next video. Take care.